Hello, my lovely friends. How are you? Welcome again in Balaji Education Zone.
First, this is a baby boy, and this is the man. What is he doing? The man is cutting hair. Who is he? Can you guess? Yeah, this is a barber. B-A-R-B-E-R. Barber. This is a barber. Who is this? Can you guess? I think this is an old man. What is he doing? Can you guess who is he? He is a potter. Yeah, who is a potter? Now this is a lady who can see. Can you guess? Yeah, I think postman, because a letter is in her hand. She is a postman. This is a blackboard and she is a lady with a stick. Can you guess who is she? Yeah, she is a teacher. She is a teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. This is the man with a cap. What is he doing? He is cutting wood. Yeah, this is carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R, carpenter. He is a carpenter. Who is this? Guess. Who is this? With star. Who is this? White shirt. Who is this? This is a traffic police. Traffic police. Traffic police. Traffic police. Who is this? With a top, stars and AK-47. Oh, soldier. Yeah, soldier. S-O-L-D-I-E-R, soldier. He's a soldier. Who is this? Can you guess? This is a man in farm. Yeah, farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. He is a farmer. Now tell me who is this? Can you guess? He is making shoes. Yeah, cobbler. He is a cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. Who is this? This is a man. Oh, gardener. Yeah, gardener. G-A-R-D-N-E-R, gardener. A pot, a man with sapa. Who is he? Yeah, I can tell this is a milkman. This is a milkman. M-I-L-K-M-A-N, milkman. Who is this lady? Oh my God, she will be police officer, because yeah, a stick with her. Police, P-O-L-I-C-E, police. Who is this man? I can guess. I can say, oh, this is an electrician. Electrician. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-A-N. Electrician. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-A-N. Electrician. Who is this man? Not man, this is a doctor because he is with stethoscope. Doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Who is this? This is a girl with a book. Yeah, student. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. Student. This is a man who is washing clothes. Yeah, washerman. W-A-S-H-E-R-M-A-N. W-A-S-H-E-R-M-E-N. Washerman. Who is this? This is a man. Yeah, cook. He is a cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Guys, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.